Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix unfortunately Messenger has stopped. If you're encountering the unfortunately Messenger has stopped error on your Android device, you can try the following steps to resolve it. First, you have to open the Messenger and go back and simply just clear it. Or you could also restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can resolve app related problems, or you could clear Messenger app cache. In order to do that, you have to press the Messenger app, go to the app information, and in the storage and cache, select that. And in the bottom, there we could see there's a clear cache option, tap that. If clear the cache does not work, you can try clearing the app data as well, which is just beside it. Note that this will remove your chat history and settings. If you want to delete it, you can also do that. Or you could update your Messenger. Go to the Play Store, look out for the Messenger, and here we could see tap that and just simply update your Messenger. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Messenger app, and you have to simply tap update option if an update is available. Or you could also uninstall the Messenger and reinstall back again if none of the step works. And if the problem persists after trying the steps, there may be more complex issue with your device of the Messenger app. If such case, you may need to contact Facebook support for further assistance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.